This is the original One UI 7 customization. The clock, the date, or even notifications. You can set up however you want for your lock screen. But what if I tell you, you can actually customize your clock, whatever the font is, way more options than the One UI 7 gave you. The date and even whatever you want, you can put inside. Totally customizable. And I'll show you one of the example. This is one of the example, my other phone. You can see the clock. It's already customizable. Okay, I customize into this. The date, I customize to this. And I put a weather at the bottom. I can do whatever I want. I can put this at the top, put the date at the bottom. I can do whatever I want. So today I'm going to show you how do I do this. It's actually quite simple. And I love my lock screen a little bit more simpler because I don't want to be too messy. So I will show you how do I do this. So first thing you want to go into is actually Good Lock. And then when you go into the Good Lock, you want to go to Clock Face. Make sure you download this, okay? Clock Face. And now you can see there's this little bit simple outlook. Now you want to press the plus button right at the top here. And now you can see they initially will give you a clock. Now you can select whatever you want in here. So whatever you want your clock look like. Okay, so let's just say I love this clock, okay? And then I'm going to put it up here. Okay, whatever, however you want. You want to put at the bottom, you want to make it smaller, whatever you want. Now on the side right here, you can see there is this plus button right there. And you can actually change your clock. Analog, text clock, date, text, image, GIF, and weather. But today we're going to concentrate on making things simple. So we're going to put date and weathers. So I'm going to put the date and you can see the date. Now I would say I want to put at the bottom of my clock. Okay, I want to center a little bit. So just like that. And now you can choose your font. So you can choose something like that, whatever you want. Okay. Let's just say I want like this. You can change your color as well, but I want to stay just like that. And now I want to put weather. So you press the plus button here and you can put weather as well too. And now the weather is like this. I want to make it closer, maybe like this in the middle. And then I can choose my font as well. Very simple. Now you press down low and make sure take the one that you want, this one. And then you press take. And now let's just say you want to add a widget for your notifications, right? You can press this or you can do whatever you want. Let's just say you want to do well-being. Let's just do that. And now you can see my lock screen, it ends up like this. And then as I said, I can change multiple wallpaper every time I lock and unlock. You can see there's so many different of wallpaper, automatic, okay? And so that's how it works to customize your clock, your date, and your weathers on your lock screen. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.